Guys, what's up? Today I am making a way to make numbers without showing the numbers. So basically, making numbers without showing the variables. Oh, no. Okay, so it's like this is normally you would have a variable here, but what we're having is this taking the data from this variable and drawing it or stamping it to be more precise. So it will even go through negatives and it will have E plus and it can also go through decimals. So here's how it works. I have this count block and I have this block that runs the count block. Without it, the count block would be useless. And these ones are the blocks that you cannot get from the Paletti, or at least when I made it, you couldn't. And I would suggest you backpack this before you make it. Oh my gosh, yeah. Wait, one. Okay. So, here's how it works. First, our green flag is clicked. And it will set our variable, which would be called number. It doesn't have to be called number. It can be whatever variable you want. But this will be your variable that you want to use for here. Now, you don't have to set it to this, but I have it like this so that it resets to 0 when you click the green flag. So if I just make it like 16 and I click the green flag, it resets it to 0. Then you also have a forever, and then it runs a block, which is called count. Now, in our block, it's called define count. So first, you erase the whole entire board. Then you go to the X and Y coordinates you want the first character to be, and it will clear the counter, so this first block. Then it will increment the counter, so it starts at 1. It goes to the first character of your variable. And then it repeats the length of your number. So it will repeat the length of this. So right now, the length of our number is 1 because there is 1 character. Now, if I just make it like this, now the length of our number is 2. So it repeats it 2 times. So it will hide. So you will never see it. And because if you do see it, then it will look very weird. So you will see this extra character, which will basically be this previous character, but in better resolution. So I'm gonna hide it, and there. So it will hide. Then it will switch its costume to the counter. So the counter is like a built-in variable. The letter count, the character counter of your variable. It will stamp, and then it will move 20 steps, so it goes to the next spot where the next character will be. And then it'll increment the counter. Then it can stamp again, move 20 steps, increment the counter. Stamp again, and it'll do however amount of times, however amount of characters you have. As you can see also, this will work if it includes all the numbers from 0 through 9. All the costumes, they are named according to their character. We have negative for the minus. We have E for like E plus 1 or stuff like that. We have plus for the same thing. And we have point for decimal numbers. You can also do this with a letter. So if I just, I'm just going to duplicate this one. And I'm just going to call it A. And then I'll just type in here A. Now, if I just set this to A, it will still work. because I have that costume. But if I do not have the costume, it will not work because it does not know that thing. And it will just be the last character it has ever used. So that is it for today. I will put the link in the description, and you can backpack this, or better yet, you can even backpack the counter. If you ever need to go through a review, you can just check this out. It's not so great, but it should work. And left and right arrows to move. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like and hit the bell and everything. See you next time. Bye.